Welcome to another episode of Dust and Bubbles. Today, I'm wheeling with the Rim Country four-wheelers as we head out to a difficult waterfall none of us have ever run. I will learn that sometimes being the one who tries everything can have severe consequences. But, like I always say, this will either be an epic adventure or a great story. Today, it will be both. We traveled down a frequently traveled and very scenic road we have driven many times on less challenging adventures. The views as you drop down into the canyon are breathtaking, with red cliffs in the background. We took this less traveled road, leading us to the first of two waterfall obstacles. All right, this is our waterfall here. So we'll be climbing up this.
I'm not driving it.
Looks like fun. I made quick work of this waterfall, but that confidence would hurt me on the next one.
Tank. Stay here.
Kurt made quick work of the first half, but when straddling the ravine, we hit a few snags. I was spotting and was down inside the ravine and not visible for a bit, which caused him to get off track. It's always fun when your front end gets light. The first time was no biggie. The second time, Kurt's front end was light enough to warrant a winch line for safety to keep the front end down.
Oh, fuck. Yeah.
All right, inch it forward. Drive it a little bit. Driver. Back it up. Back it up just a little.
it helps if you stand over there, and if he can't see him, you can at least tell him. But I'm saying he needs to mimic him, because I had a hard time seeing John.
There you go. Come forward. Let it work. Let it work. Let it work.
Slower.
Keep coming. Let it work. Come driver a little bit. There you go. Right. No, back passenger a little bit. Right there. Driver a little bit. Driver, 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 driver. Right there.
Kurt, hold up right here and let me get through this, and I'll set up some video. You coming through?
Copy.
I was fairly certain this was a route I was not going to be able to do with my current rig, but it's always fun to try. I made several attempts on this line and then tried a line to the right, but none of them were successful.
Am I going to hit it?
There was a bypass for this section to the right, which led to one last waterfall with a deep ravine down the center. Bill told me they were not going to try it, because if you slipped off the wide ravine, you might total your rig. Turns out, Bill was right. I smashed my mirror, damaged my door, severed my antenna wire, and broke my axle. Attempting to get out, I damaged my taillight. Kurt got his Jeep into a position where he could use his winch to pull me at about a 45-degree angle, which got me away from the edge so I didn't damage the rig more when backing up. I was amazed at how little damage there was given how hard I hit. If you're going to wheel the hard stuff, you have to be okay with a little damage. Overall, it made for a great trip and better stories. Hope to see you on the trail. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.